Right off the bat, I just want to say that the best way to save money if you're on a budget is to buy what you can pre-owned, used, or refurbished. You can often find stuff like PC components at amazing prices if you buy them off of sites like Craigslist or eBay. You can also just ask around if anybody you know has used parts that they don't want anymore because they're upgrading. That being said, I bought my first ever mechanical keyboard off of Craigslist for $40. The keyboard I got is a Ducky One non-backlit version with Cherry MX Blue switches. Even without any LEDs, a full keyboard with a numeric keyboard is more than enough for my intended uses, which are schoolwork and gaming. I mentioned before that this is my first mechanical keyboard because I'm currently using your standard laptop keyboard. Cherry MX Blue switches are known for being very loud due to their clickiness. Compared to my laptop keyboard, the Ducky One is super satisfying to type on, as it doesn't take much pressure for the keys to actuate, and it makes typing a breeze. I really like the keyboard, and I personally don't mind how clicky the blues are. I tried it for gaming in Fortnite too, and I think it works fine for gaming, although the clickiness will be picked up by a mic over comms. People do prefer the Cherry MX Blue switches for typing, but I do like it for gaming as well. Ducky is known for their build quality. This keyboard is definitely heavy, weighing in at 1.3 kilograms or about 2.9 pounds. The keyboard I got was in great condition, and I feel like I got a great deal for what would be $99 brand new. Craigslist really isn't as bad as people might think it is, but you should still always be careful. I'll definitely be using more of this keyboard, and I'm looking into fun backlighting options too. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to pop them down below. I'll definitely be making more videos, whether they're about PC peripherals or art. Stay tuned for more.